Hey guys, I am in Rhine Falls in Switzerland. It's supposed to be one of the largest waterfalls in Europe. So I thought I'd try and get some video footage and share what it's like here. So Rhine Falls, it's a nice little day out. It's not too far from Zurich. And there's a few things you can do. You can get on one of the boats. There's a 15-minute ride or a 30-minute ride. And it takes you up and close to the waterfall, and it's spectacular. You really feel the power of the waterfall as you get close to it. There's a few restaurants, a few food stands as well if you want to get something to eat. There's a nice little walk, which I'm doing now, which will take you around the waterfall as well. So it's a nice little day out. You probably only need about half a day. There's also a trail, I think I mentioned that already, that you can do, and it takes you right around the river. I thought it was a short little walk, but it's actually a lot longer than I thought. It's not difficult, but it's a bit longer, but you do get close to the river and you encounter some beautiful scenery, which is always nice. So yeah, after you have your lunch, your heavy lunch, which I just had, it's always good to go for a walk. Helps with digestion. Also, as you do the trail around the walk, there's a few places where you can swim as well, which is perfect for a hot day like this. So bring your swimming costume if you do come and you know it's going to be hot. There's also an interesting castle that you can go in, and there's a restaurant in there, and you can also walk in, and it offers a nice view of the waterfall, of the Rhine, if you want to check that out as well. This is the castle Schloss. Then you can So to conclude the video, it's a nice day out, it's a nice trip. I only recommend that you try and get here early, around 9 or 10, if you want to avoid the mass number of tourists and people you would see that will come later around 11 or 12. But yeah, I do recommend it. It's a nice day out, lots to see, lots to do, lots of options to eat, nice walks, nice views. I mean, you really can't go wrong with a half-day trip out here if you come to Switzerland. And as I mentioned, it's not too far from Zurich, and there is a train station as well that's close by, and lots of parking space as well. But just get here early if you want to find one.